In this video we will learn what are props in React. In React, props, short for properties, are a way of passing data from one component to another. They are a core concept in React and are used to customize and configure components. Props are read-only, meaning a component cannot modify the props it receives. They can only be used to render UI based on the values passed to them. Props follow a unidirectional data flow. Data flows down from parent components to child components. Props are immutable within the child component. They are set by the parent component and cannot be changed by the child. Props allow components to be dynamic and reusable. By passing different props, you can render the same component in different ways. Here's a simple example to illustrate how props work in React. In the example, the parent component will pass props to a child component and the child component will receive the props and render them. App is the parent component that renders multiple instances of the greeting child component. It passes different values for the name prop to each instance: Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Greeting is a child functional component that takes props as an argument. It expects a prop called name. It renders an h1 element displaying a greeting message using the passed name as prop. When working with props validation is quite important. Here's how you can add prop type validation to the greeting component to ensure that the props received by a component have same type. In conclusion, props allow components to be dynamic and customizable. They are passed from parent to child and are read-only in the child component. Using prop types helps in validating the type and requirements of props. Props are fundamental for building reusable components in React, making them a crucial part of any React application. Thank you for watching. आपको वीडियो पसंद आए या नहीं? अपना फीडबैक जरूर देना and please subscribe.